guys, walking here in Alona Beach in Panglao. So this is an open beach. There's no entrance fee at all. So if you tour here in Bohol and you don't prefer to pay for extra fee for a private beach access, don't worry. Mag-enjoy din kayo dito sa Alona Beach. So medyo mahaba lang yung lalakarin from the main road. Pero, carry lang. And talagang sulit naman yung view pag nandito na kayo sa beach area. Medyo may init nung dumating ako dito. It was, I think, already 12 noon. I just had my lunch sa Tapsilog restaurant doon malapit sa accommodation ko. Then, yan. Wala akong itinerary at all today. As in, I'll just spend my whole day here in Alona Beach. Maglalakad-lakad lang ako hanggang 7 p.m. siguro. Titignan ko lang the difference between morning and evening vibe.
Ay lang ha, sa ano sir? Countryside, okay no? Okay namin.
Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito guys sa Alona Beach, yung nakita ko na there is a 7-Eleven na malapit sa dagat. Especially if you're in a budget, diba? So, hindi ka na mag-worry kung meron kang enough budget para sa mga snacks, sa drinks, pag nandito ka. So, ito yun, no? Dito yung 7-Eleven. I bought my lemonade and piatos just to enjoy this view. Yan, upo-upo lang ako dyan. Tagal ko rin nakaupo dyan, guys. Muni-muni lang talaga. Na-enjoy yung hangin, yung view, and then
That's my favorite. It's like you get a top the second you already have. Yeah. Yeah,
hindi naman ako nag-swimming. Wala akong mag-swimming ngayon. Medyo masama yung pakiramdam ko. Baka tomorrow morning before yung flight. Check natin yung what. Nandito ako sa bandang dulo na. From yung entrance. Isa na yung 7-Eleven. Ito na ako sa bandang dulo. Hindi na ang tubig. Sayang. Hindi rin ako nakapagdala ng swimwear today. Kasi nga wala akong balak ng swim. Uy, liit na fish. Ang linaw, grabe. Ayan, ang dami. Ay, liit na fish. Ang ganda ng Bohol, grabe. For sure, babalik ako dito. And this time, sana kasama ko na si husband. Tara, tuloy natin yung paglalakad ko dito sa Alona Beach. Tignan lang natin kung ano yung itsura niya hanggang sa kabilang dulo.
Yan, nagsa-set up na sila for dinner. 5:30.
Pamilya sa amo na dahil? Pamilya sa amo ba? Kanayi.
Pabalik yan dun sa... Okay.
Ice cream. Nasaan photographer? No battery, yeah. It will be quick. I can't do
Kuha ganina mo.
For my snack, ang binili ko, milky cheese donut kanina dun sa baby ko. Yung malapit sa Alona Beach.
It's around 6 p.m. na yata nito guys. So, ito naman yung vibe ni Alona Beach kapag pagabi. So, ito na party. Music. And then open na yung mga bars.
Okay, I'm back here in Alona Beach. It's 7:30 in the morning. It's my last day. So, sulitin natin. So, I still have like 3 hours before my, 4 hours before my flight. So, yeah, kaya pa. So, hindi na ako ng breakfast 7-Eleven. morning! Enjoying my breakfast here. Front of the beach. Kaso pasensya na guys, hindi ako ma-explore when it comes to food. Mas mahilig talaga ako sa mga sightseeing and then experience. Pero sa food, kahit sa normal na buhay, pag di nakabakasyon, paulit-ulit lang yung kinakain ko. Kahit yung niluluto ko sa bahay, paulit-ulit lang. Kaya wala akong masyadong ma-share ng mga food experience. So ayan, ang breakfast ko, lemonade from 7-Eleven. And same na sandwich na binreakfast ko nung first day. So, yan.
So that's it guys. My solo vacation here in Bohol finally ended. So sad. Bitin yung days that I stayed here, pero sulit. And yun nga, like what I mentioned, this is DIY solo vacation. So before I was worried na mag-isa lang ako magta-travel. I'm not sure kung safe ba talaga. But then, nung na-try ko siya, you must try it also guys. Don't worry. Safe ang Bohol for a solo vacation kahit na sa mga female like me. Kaya try nyo na din guys. You will definitely enjoy it. And I'm so excited for my next vacation.
Removal of black bags from the aircraft is a serious offense, and for passenger needing wheelchair assistance, please be advised that you will deploy last using the port door only for proper ground endorsement. Ladies and gentlemen, as a last safety precaution, please wait for the fasten bolts to be switched off before standing up to get your bags. Muli po, hintayin mo wala ang babala sa pagkabit ng sinta ng pagkaligtasan bago po kayo tumayo para kunin ang iyong mga kagamitan. Inaasahan po namin ang iyong maayos na pagsunod. Maraming salamat po.